lopsided? Child, let me fix
Drive a all white rank. Couldn't hit it if you niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it then you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150.
What's up, Court Crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time watching me, don't forget to subscribe down below and join the family. Even if this isn't your first time and you're not subscribed, sis, what are you doing?
Yeah, like, are you dumb?
Join the family, period. Oh my god, are y'all lopsided? Child, let me fix y'all. Should I do it over or is that okay? I'm tired, like y'all see I got my nails done. All of a sudden my nails in the shop, like boom, 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 chicka boom, chicka boom. Okay, in today's video I'm doing another review for you guys, another Fenty review. Y'all know we're over here trying to manifest me working with Fenty. Anyway, so today I'm going to be reviewing one of their newest drops in this collection. I don't know if it's really a collection, but they dropped a lot of things. They dropped this brow product, which is the Brow MVP Sculpting Brow Wax Pencil and Styler. They also dropped 2 new shades of their mascara and 2 new snap shadows, one in like a green and one in like a wine color. So I just opened up the packaging. The brow product, the Brow MVP Sculpting Brow Wax Pencil and Styler, looks like this. So here, this is exactly what it looks like. Pretty cool. On one side it has the wax. Well, this is the brush. On one side it has the brush, and then on the other side it has the wax. So I feel like this is something. Ooh, how do I? Okay, and this side has the wax. So I'm pretty excited to use this. I feel like I don't need any more out of the whole drop that Fenty just did. I just felt like child, my voice. Out of the whole Fenty drop, this was the only thing that really like stuck out to me, that like I really wanted to try, because I don't need any more eyeshadow palettes, at least not right now, and I don't really wear colored mascara unless it's like, I feel like I'm more inclined to do it if it's like a pop of color, and those were very like muted fall colors, and I don't really see me wearing those. So I'm gonna go in first with the wax. And I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So now that we're up close and personal, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to use the wax side of the Brow MVP brow wax styler. Child, I'm just gonna say the Brow MVP wax. I'm just gonna say the brow wax from Fenty Beauty, child, because that name is too freaking long. Okay, so I'm going to just try to mold my brows into the shape that I want. I feel like this is going to help me achieve those fluffy brows. So let's see. So I'm just going to, okay, right off the bat, it's definitely wax, right? But it's like, it's not like, it's not too tough. And when I say that, I mean like it's like a still soft, it's like a soft wax to the point where it is holding them up. As you guys can see, that like my hairs are up now in the front, like it's holding them, but it's like I can still go in with the other side. I can still go in with this brush and remold if needed, you know what I'm saying? So if I wanted, if the wax, like if I accidentally got it to go this way but I really want to go this way, I can still mold it. And this brush is a little bit harder. It's a harder brush because it even has some of my brow hairs in it. That's kind of scary. A harder brush to the point where it can mold your hairs into a different look. So I feel like this product is perfect for me when I want to do those no makeup looks. Alright you guys, so now it's time to fill in my brows. So I recently purchased, because y'all know Benefit is known for the brows. She's known for the brows, girl. So I picked up her brow pencil because my ColourPop one is running out, which is my favorite, and it's still sold out on the website. I don't know what they're trying to do, but what they need to do is put it back on the website. But anyway, so I'm just going in and lightly filling in. As you guys can see, like, it's literally not much for me to do because the brow wax literally just put all my hairs into place. Made it really easy to just see where the gaps are. Okay you guys, so this is how the brows are looking after filling them in and clean them up with some concealers. I'll be right back after I finish this face to tell you guys my final thoughts on Fenty Beauty's Brow MVP Sculpting Brow Wax Pencil and Styler. Did I get it right? Y'all, I never know the name of Fenty products. Like this, I would call it hydrating mist, but it's the What It Do makeup refreshing spray. It's a lot, you know what I'm saying? And that's neither here nor there. I'll be back. Bye. Okay, so here are my final thoughts on Fenty Beauty's new brow MVP Sculpting Brow Wax Pencil and Styler. So honestly, I really like the product. I feel like it's perfect for those no makeup looks, and honestly I would even wear this when I'm not wearing makeup. This is just like a really lightweight product that will be able to sculpt your brow hairs into place, but not give you any white cast. I feel like it was one, easy to use, and honestly I really do think it's perfect for no makeup looks, but also even when you're wearing no makeup, because this is just a product that you can like throw in your purse on the go, and I really do like it how it has the wax on one side and then the brush on the other side. I feel like this product is something that is perfect for my no makeup girls, but it's also perfect for people who do wear makeup because it's just like gives you that perfect foundation for your brows, but also I can really definitely see myself using this on days where I'm not wearing makeup, which is literally every day except when I'm filming. It's like just enough hold, if that makes sense. The reason why I'm saying it's just enough hold is because it's not gonna move, but it's like your brows still look effortless. Does that make sense? Like, it doesn't look like it has product, which is really good because it's literally not moving. It does have that tackiness to it that you want in like a brow wax, but yeah, I think those are my final thoughts. And yeah, let me know down below if you picked up anything from the new Fenty launch, if you picked up this brow product, if you picked up any of the new Snap Shadows in 9 or 10, or if you picked up any of their new shades in their full frontal mascara. Let me know down below. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for my chill get ready with me. So yeah, you guys, make sure you come back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe down below, join the core crew family if you like reviews, if you like I do a whole bunch of different videos on my channel, so definitely go check them out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.